I work hard in America. Save up money. Build my house. Work until I'm old. 5-10 years. Build up my things and send down my car them and build up my house. And say finally, I'm going to come home and rest. Enjoy my life because just so that you can, but you fight through all of that and you accomplish things what you need to accomplish and you get your place and you build it up. And you mean for tell me, say, on a little dirty, nasty teeth in drunkers, we're down there, cannot give people the chance for rest, the chance for enjoy what them work hard for. Una just come and una not come for just thief. Una come for thief people and kill them, dog.
Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. I was talking to a returnee from Jamaica recently, and what she told me left me a bit concerned. She moved back to Jamaica after decades in the US, thinking she was finally home. She imagined waking up to fresh island breeze, hearing birds instead of sirens, feeling free instead of stressed. But now she's questioning everything. Did she make the right decision? She asks me. And if I didn't, what is my next move? Her concerns are real. She loves Jamaica, the food, the culture, the warmth of the people. But then she hears about what happened to a lady called Lorice Mory, a 72-year-old retired nurse who had moved back to Jamaica, and suddenly her dreams doesn't feel secure anymore. But this isn't about one tragedy. It's a bigger issue, the struggles of returning residents, the rising crime, and what might happen next with thousands of deportees being sent back from the US. If you've ever thought about retiring in Jamaica, or if your family is planning to return, this is a conversation that you need to be a part of, so stay tuned. Lorice Mory had planned it all out. She worked as a nurse in the US for years, saving up to build her home in Pyramid Heights, St. Anne's in Jamaica, a peaceful place where she could relax, grow her own food and live off the land. Every morning she tended to her chicken, each one lovingly named. She had mango trees, fresh vegetables, and a sense of freedom she had never felt in America. She was finally home, but then her life was stolen from her. One day, men came to deliver materials she had purchased, and somehow these same men ended up taking her life. Her car was stolen and later abandoned. Some reports suggested that she may have been essayed before they unalived her. Imagine that, a 72-year-old woman just trying to enjoy the fruits of her labor, gone just like that. My friend was shaken up by this. As she said, if it could happen to Lorice, why not me? How could I live in a place knowing that I could be next? And it's not just Lorice. We've seen many cases like this, returning residents being targeted, journalists, business owners, professionals, romance scam, people who come back with hope only to be met with tragedy. You know, I hate to be the bearer of bad tidings, but this is just something that we need to talk about. But there's another layer to this. With Trump's immigration policies, over 5,000 deportees been sent back to Jamaica. She's very concerned about this. Many of them left as kids. They don't know the country. They have no family, no jobs, no support system. And as according to my friend, desperate people do desperate things. She's worried that with so many deportees being sent back, what happens next? If people already is getting unalive now, what will it be like in 5 years? Will things get better or worse? What are your thoughts on this situation? So here's the thing. Jamaican isn't just crime and fear. And she talks about this too. And that is why she moved back there in the first place. She talked about waking up to the sound of oceans, the way the sunlight hits the hills in the morning, fresh ackee and saltfish, ripe mango, the way people greet you like family, even when they don't know you. There's nowhere like Jamaica, she says. The people, the vibes, it's my home. But at the same time, she can't ignore the realities. The cost of living is rising, basic goods are expensive, electricity bills are high, and crime is a real concern. Now she's stuck in this painful in-between, loving the land, but fearing for her safety, wanting to stay, but wondering if she should leave. She's now torn between what her heart wants and what her mind warns her against. And this is what I want to ask you, my viewers. If you were in her shoes, what would you do? If you've moved back already, do you feel safe? If you're still overseas, does this make you second guess your plans?
Jamaicans, I have a question. So, you mean to tell me that I work hard in America, save up money, build my house in Jamaica, go through a bunch of shit here, swallow a lot of shit here, work until I'm old, 5-10 years, build up my things and send down my car them and build up my house, and say finally I'm going to come home and rest, enjoy my life, because most of my young days me get work, sometimes starve yourself just so that you can finish up this plan back home. Sometimes you send your money and family member rob you, you got through so much shit, but you fight through all of that and you accomplish things what you need to accomplish, and you get your place and you build it up. And you mean for tell me, say, on a little dirty, nasty teeth in drunkards, we're down there, cannot give people the chance for rest, the chance for enjoy what them work hard for. Una just come, una not come for just thief. Una come for thief people and kill them, dog. Una not care if a 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, 10-year-old, 100-year-old woman, 70 or 60-year-old woman, una all woman, dog. Like, what kind of gangsters una be? I need to know, bro. I need to know, because this shit make me don't want to come to Jamaica ever to live. Like, how y'all dealing with woman like this when since? If I come for thief, I want to come and take things from people, dog. I want to thief. I want to take the things them then and go on, dog. But we're not going to rape people, rape the woman them and kill them. I want to kill them in some wicked ways. You understand? I want to cut woman throat. I want to bash woman head. I want to do all kind of things, dog. For what? For money, dog. For a couple dollars. If you don't come for the vanity them, you don't take the vanity them and leave the people them, dog. Make the people them have them life. Imagine you don't know what people got through for achieve when you come out and see people come down and them have money now and start pre-people. When start pre-people. Can't see people buy them little Benz and Beamer. Or buy them little car them and ship them down. It's not drugs people sell. It's not drugs people go sell. Sometimes I shit people clean. Sometimes I kind of other ways. People have to work in a people restaurant, have to cook food, have to get up how much o'clock a morning. Open up restaurant, I cook how much food, have staff member, have all kind of things, have to monitor things. You don't know what people got you. Wanna just kill people, wanna just see people with things. I wanna come out and just take things. I wanna kill the people them, and we wanna kill the people them, bro. Una some rapists, dog. Like una rapists, una just murder, una rapists. Yo, back in the day, bad man not do them things. The real bad man. What kind una demon, bro? Una devil, una wicked, no bumble clock. Una make me afraid of Jamaica, dog. Una make me afraid of Jamaica. See Trump, where most people out of country. Some of the people them will have them papers. Afraid to even come home. Some people don't even want to live here so no more, bro. But them scared to come home because what? Them afraid that people are gonna kill them, dog. I gonna kill them. You mean to tell me, say, people can't have no peace because of things, because of vanity, dog. People can't have no peace, bro. No peace. Really? What kind of style that? When you start rape off all people, dog? When you start rape off all people, dog? What kind of man on a be, dog? What kind of man on a be? Where the is the real niggas at? Where's the real protectors at? Where the real man them there? If we're not thief, I will not come and rob people, dog. We not just rob people, dog. But then I gonna come and I gonna rob people and I'll beat them to death. All them fuckery there, I'll beat a woman to death and all type of things. We not cut woman short. We not do some wicked evil things to woman, dog. When I deal with woman rush like when I come from a woman, dog. When I come from woman. Somehow when they dirty, nasty, dead want to drop out and the woman them want to come from for the kill. Somehow when lay them with some all workless, careless girl, dog. We can't help you give you nothing where I depend on uno. I want to see working hard, good woman, some good people, some of them I work hard and a good people, them some good woman, I want to style them. You understand? I want to style them for some little blood clot idiot girl. You understand? When you see some girl and them have them things, dog, I want to know people they are school, if they are study hard, if they are study. You understand? For get degree, for work, for do certain things. And for maintain them life. And you mean for tell me, say, you got you all of this, and you fight, and you got you all these storms, and you got you all this shit. Just for your motherfucker kill you, dog. Just for your motherfucker kill you for the things that is yours where you work hard for. Jamaica, what the bro? Oh, this shit. Like, old people will come back at them country and they make people free, dog. People free, old people will come home. What kind of people will come home? Them can't enjoy them place. People work hard and build up them place. And don't rest at all at America. Only to come home to Jamaica for to kill them, dog. And kill them in some wicked way. In some wicked way. To kill the people, them, dog. Oh, them say karma, you know. Karma come tenfold, dog. Be careful what you do to people. Because when it come back, man. Remember me telling the karma real. Hear that?
Jamaica is home for many, and many returnees are living peaceful lives, but we have to be real about the risk too. We have to talk about solutions, community safety, better security for returnees, and making sure that those who come back actually feel at home. But no one should work their whole life only to come back to fear. Now she's asking herself, what should she do? The fear is real, but so is hope. If you're planning to return home, be prepared. Build a support system. Research your area. Get involved in the community, because peace isn't just about where you live. It's about how safe and secure you feel. My heart goes out to the family of Lorice Mory. No one deserves that. If you're watching, stay alert and stay aware and stay safe. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment. What do you think? Is Jamaica still a good place to retire, or is it too risky? Let's talk about it. And if you find this video hits home for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, stay aware, and stay blessed. One love.